What if I told you that most people never get what they want, not because they're not smart enough, talented enough, or lucky enough, but because they quit too early? Think about it. Almost everything you want in life, money, success, respect, confidence, good relationships, has already been achieved by someone else. So if it's possible for them, why not for you? The truth is, there are a few simple rules that successful people follow without even realizing it. And if you learn these rules, you'll stop feeling stuck and start getting closer to what you want. Stay until the end, because the last lesson is the one that changed my life the most. Rule number 1: know what you want. Most people say things like, I want to be successful. I want more money. I want a better life. But what does that actually mean? It's too vague. If I ask you to give me directions, you would need to tell me exactly where to go. Life works the same way. You need a clear target. Instead of saying, I want money, say, I want to earn 50,000 rupees a month. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to lose 5 kilos. The clearer your goal, the easier it is to achieve. Rule number 2: stop waiting. Many people are waiting for the perfect time. They say, I'll start when I'm ready. I'll start next month. I'll start when I have more confidence. But here's the truth. The perfect time never comes. If you wait until you feel ready, you may wait forever. Successful people don't start because they're confident. They become confident because they start. Take the first step, even if you're scared, even if you're not ready. Action creates confidence. Rule number 3: become better every day. Everyone wants success, but not everyone wants to improve. If you want a better life, you need to become a better version of yourself. Read more, learn new skills, exercise, improve your communication, build discipline. Your results improve when you improve. The person you become is more important than the things you get. Rule 4: give value to people. Want more money? Help more people. Want more opportunities? Become useful. Want more respect? Add value to others. Think about the people who earn a lot. Business owners solve problems. Doctors solve problems. Teachers solve problems. Creators solve problems. The more value you bring to people, the more rewards come back to you. Stop asking, what can I get? Start asking, how can I help? That mindset changes everything. Rule number 5: focus on one thing. One of the biggest reasons people fail is because they're distracted. Today, they're learning one skill. Tomorrow, they're learning another. Next week, they're chasing a new dream. Success needs focus. Pick one important goal, then work on it every day, even if progress is slow. A little progress every day beats no progress at all. Remember, a laser cuts through steel because all its power is focused in one place. Rule number 6: don't fear failure. Most people are scared of failing, but failure is part of success. Every successful person has failed. Every entrepreneur, every athlete, every creator. The difference is, they didn't quit. Failure teaches you what works and what doesn't. So don't ask, what what if I fail? Ask, what if this works? Because you never know how close you are to success. Rule number 7, win the day. Most people focus too much on the future. They want results immediately. But success is built one day at a time. Don't worry about the next year. Focus on today. Did you work on your goal today? Did you improve today? Did you take one step forward today? That's all that matters. Win today, then repeat tomorrow. Small actions create big results.
So, if you want to get whatever you want in life, remember these 7 rules. Know exactly what you want. Stop waiting. Improve yourself every day. Give value to people. Stay focused. Don't fear failure. Win the day. Most people know these things. Very few actually do them. The question is, will you just watch this video or will you take action? Because your future is created by what you do today. And one decision can change your entire life. Subscribe for more videos on success, mindset, and self-improvement. See you in the next one.